Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 21 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question. Electrically a neutron is dashed in charge, right? So we know that atom is divided into three subatomic particles. One is electron, which is negatively charged, right? Negatively charged particle. Second one is proton. This is positively charged particle. And the third one is, the third particle is neutron, which has no charge. That means it has neutral charge. No charge. So the charge of neutron is neutral. It does not contain any charge. So the correct option is no charge. That is third option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. So here the question is mass of neutron. Mass of neutron is. So we know that atom is classified into three subatomic particles: electron, proton and neutron, and each and every particle has some mass. In the same way, neutron also has some mass. That mass is 1.675 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So this is the mass of neutron. Mass of neutron. So the correct option is third option. Mass of neutron is 1.675 into 10 power minus 24 grams. Let's move on to the next question. Here the third question. Question is, neutron was discovered by. So each and every subatomic particle was discovered by different scientists. In the same way, neutron has discovered by one scientist. His name is James Chadwick. The neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. So the correct option is first option, James Chadwick. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the fourth question. The question is mass of neutron in atomic mass unit. Mass of neutron in atomic mass unit, right? So one atomic mass unit is equal to 1 AMU. Atomic mass unit equal to 1.661 into 10 power minus 24 grams. 10 power minus 24 grams. We know that mass of the neutron in grams, that is 1.675 into 10 power minus 24 grams. If we do the cross multiplication, we will get the how many atomic mass units of the mass of neutron is, that is 1.00856. 1.00866 atomic mass unit. So the mass of neutron in atomic mass unit is 1.00866 is the mass of the neutron in atomic mass unit. So the correct option is third option. Clear? Let's move on to the fifth question. Here the fifth question. The mass of neutron is slightly more than that of. So if you observe the options, they have given 4. One is proton, another one is positron, third one is meson, and fourth one is electron. So among these four, the neutron mass is slight than one of them, right? Slighter than one of them, little bit high. So what is that particle? So among these four, right? So for example, so the mass of neutron is slighter than proton. So the proton mass is 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 grams, and we know that neutron mass is neutron mass 1.665 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So the mass of neutron is slightly more than that proton. So the correct option is first option. So here the proton mass and neutron mass, we can observe here. So the neutron mass is little bit higher than proton. So the correct option is first option, right? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.